This is Edem from Juxtello iTech, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some exciting updates from the Ghana Education Service regarding the Basic Education Certificate Examination, BECE, for final year junior high school students. In the latest news, final year JHS students in Ghana will be writing 3 additional subjects in this year's BECE. So, what are these new subjects? The 3 new subjects added to the BECE are Career Technology, Creative Art and Design, and Arabic Language. Career Technology and Creative Art and Design have been derived from the former Basic Design Technology, BDT, and will be written by every final year JHS student in Ghana. Due to these new changes, the Ghana Education Service has extended the usual 5 days for BECE exams to 6 days. The exams will now take place from Monday, July 9, 2024, to Monday, July 15, 2024. Mr. John Cappy, the head of public affairs of WAEC, elaborated on the examination details. He mentioned that WAEC is ready for the BECE examination and has concluded all meetings related to it. Sample questions have been sent to schools and posted on the WAEC Council's website. Now, let's take a look at the official timetable for the BECE 2024. On Monday, July 8, 2024, candidates will write English language and religious and moral education. The exams will continue on Tuesday and Wednesday with subjects like science, computing, social studies, and creative art and design. That's all for today's update on the BECE 2024. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational news and updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.